Oh, it's certainly loud, but it is reasonably effective. I can feel a decent amount of air moving across the entire kitchen. The unit on the left is older than the one on the right. I'm not sure by how many years, but it's enough for the one on the left to not have the fused plug and the one on the right to have the fused plug. You can also see that the material is either thinner or different in some way, such that the light coming through is a lot more through the one on the right versus the one on the left. So perhaps the plastic is thinner, it's a different type of plastic, I don't know what the reasoning for that is. And there is definitely a difference in the performance. The one on the left is notably more powerful. You can hear there is a considerable difference in the speed. The old one on low is about the same as the newer one on high. It even sounds almost exactly the same. Great, here we go again with a squirrel digging up the yard. There it goes, it's digging over in the corner. Just planted some stuff there, better not dig it up. Slow on the new one. Wow, what a difference. These have got to be quite a few years apart. These are bad enough as it is on their own, but to put two of them together, what an awful sound. It's such a dissonant, harsh sound. It almost sounds like a siren. Can we see what the UL date is on there? 107. So the other one's got to be, might not even have it, I don't know. Let's see that. So that one's newer than I thought. So those must have maintained reasonable quality through the 2000s, and then they dropped in the 2010s. I remember the one I had that was from the late 90s sounded very much like this one, but not like the newer one at all. That's incredible. I figured the older one was more powerful, but I didn't expect it to be that pronounced. The low on that new one really is, or rather the low on the old one is about the same as the high on the new one. That's abysmal.